So for example, one here, we're going to start off with something that's not really buried in context and just sort of has all the numbers there. We'll get into much more valuable real world problems after we get a little bit of practice with just doing the numbers first. So what is the present value? So we are looking for the present value, which is our S. What is the present value of an annuity of $1,500 payable at the end of each 6-month period? So we're going to get paid out of this fund $1,500 every 6 months for 2 years. So our time is 2. And it's paid at the end of every 6 months. And so our M is also 2 because there are 2 compounding periods in the year. And our rate is 0.08. So I is R over M, so that's going to be 0.08 over 2, so 0.04. And N is MT, so 2 times 2 is going to be 4. So we are looking for S in this case. R is 1,500. 1 minus 1 plus I is 0.04. And notice the negative sign on the N up there, everyone. We got to make sure that that negative sign doesn't get lost. Negative 4 over 4. And so as it has been the case, I'm thankful that I'm going to be able to just run up here to my formulas place, copy the formula into Wolfram, and then not have to worry about all the typos that would probably happen if I was to do it by hand. So our R is 1,500. Our I is 0.04. N, just delete the N, not the negative in front of it. Make sure that that negative stays there. And again, 0.04 for our I. And what we end up with is 5,444.84. So, and what I just drew a number 5. So S is equal to 5,444.84. So what this number means, everyone, is that there is $5,444.84 in the account now. Total payout for the account will be, let's see, we're taking out $1,500 times 2 times a year times 2 years. And so that's going to be $6,000. I'm actually going to move this over here to the side and then so the gain here is we went from $5,444.84 up to $6,000 that we're getting. So again, what's happening, everyone, is there's $5,444 in the account right now. We are taking payments out of it slowly, which allows the remaining amount in the account to grow. And we get a total of $6,000, even though we only had $5,444 to start with. So our total gain is about $550. We make $550 for doing nothing. Well, for not for doing nothing, but we make $550 for taking out payments in small pieces from the total amount, because what is left is able to sit in there and grow.